Hello and welcome to another of Harry's little Jeti videos. In this one we're just going to take a very quick look at setting up triple rates and even infinitely variable rates, as if triple rates wasn't enough. It's just to help in case some people are having problems with the logic of this, the way to assign the switch. So let's pop straight in, go into fine tuning, dual rate expo, pick the ailerons to start with, and we'll come down here and we'll assign our switch, and we're going to use 3-position switch SA over here. So I go in there, I move the switch, pardon me, and this is what comes up. So you think, well, that must be it. No. Problem here is we've got an on position, and then as I move it, 2 off positions. In other words, it's acting like a 2-position switch. It's got on and it's got off, because there's no difference logically between that and that. Okay, so the result would be, back in our dual rate screen, position 1, switch up, switch middle, position 1, switch down, position 2. So we've still only got dual rates. So let's have a look at what to do to correct that. Simply say proportional. And now it's got 3 positions because it has -100, 0, plus 100. And the software can interpret that accordingly. So if we have a look now, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And we can assign separately the rates in each of those positions. It'll give us a totally independent value. And always remember that if you switch off symmetry, it's highlighted at the moment, so symmetry is on. Changing a value of one of these changes both sides. So you get a nice straight line curve. Switch off symmetry, and you can adjust either endpoint independently. Okay, so much for the 3-position rates. What about infinitely variable rates? Well, we come down here to switch SA, clear that out. I'm going to use P8, the rotary knob. Swing that, lovely. Now, initially as well, you can accept what it's shown here. It's got 3 positions, 1, 2, and 3. And as you swing the knob, it goes position 3, 2, 1. That appears to be operating proportionally, but this will not, which is a very quick demonstration of what's happening here. The rate will take position 1 at 100, position 2 will take as 80, and position 3 will take as 60. Now watch what happens to the curve as I turn the knob. It doesn't move smoothly, it just jumps at each of the positions. I'm turning the knob, there's position 2, and there's position 1. So we still haven't got the infinitely variable rates. That's what this proportional switch down here is for. If we switch that on and turn the knob, now watch the line. See it moving smoothly instead of jumping. It's still going between the points we've set, but it goes nice and smoothly in doing so. But you think, well, I don't really need 3 points then, do I? I just need one end of the knob and the other end of the knob. Well, that can be done. Come back here, come to switch P8 and remove the centering. Centering means you've got a center, so the knob goes from -100, 0 to +100. If we remove center, the knob only goes from 0 up to 100. And now we've got 2 points. It's stayed as position 3 and 2 for the moment, but that's fine. So there's a position, there's a position, and you can smoothly move between those 2 points. So if I say, let's turn that one back up to 100, move the knob around until we get to the other point, take that down to, let's say, 30, just exaggerate it, shows it. And now as I rotate P8 between those 2 points, we get this lovely smooth curve. And we'll just demonstrate that at the servo. If I can operate this one-handed. So, where are we? There's the knob. turn to 100%, aileron full over, and now I'll operate the rotary control P8, and you can see smoothly reducing the rate down to 30%, smoothly bringing it back up. So what the numbers here did, let's rotate the knob, is set the end points. It doesn't have to be 100, could be 125, could be 90, could be whatever. And that's it, nice and easy.